We're at Coon Farm. We're having Coon Hollow Festival. This is, I don't know, probably over next week or something. They got a bunch of stuff for the kids to do. Pumpkins and balloons and stuff, I think. I'm not sure. Here, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, so sorry about that.
Yeah. And take a photo. Look at that gnarly one. All right, sit on the hay. Okay, I think Rafael's allergic to hay because his eyes are watering. He's like, sun's in my eyes, but I think it's the hay. All right, let's go. This gnarly pumpkin.
What does that mean?
It's gnarly.
I don't know what that means.
It's got gnarls on it. Gnarls Barkley.
What's a gnarl?
That.
Yeah.
That.
Okay.
All right, some kind of, oh, also, there's a field of goldenrods, so he might be allergic to that as well. Grandma's allergic to it. Oh, look at the sunflowers. Pretty.
I thought they all face the sun. I can use it.
I don't know. It's an idea, though. Well, the sun moves around, doesn't it?
Yeah, but
That's a lot of sunflowers on one plant.
remember you asked about the bees? We talked about how they go to flowers.
Yeah.
Right here. Look at the amount of bees right here.
Yay!
They might have some honey here.
They have that.
They might have a honey farm.
I hope I don't swallow one.
Oh my
look
God,
nice.
there's tons of bees here.
They're busy doing this. Busy bees.
Busy bees. Look at the big haystack there. Isn't it piggies? The pigs will bite. Do not put your hands in. It says it'll bite, okay?
Yep. I saw. I was about to say I heard. That's a sign.
Yeah. Good. This one's higher than yours. Ooh, good job. Do you want to throw or look at the pigs? Hey man, nice shot. Okay, let's look at the piggies. Oh my. Did he get you in the eye?
Yes.
He did? Come here. Yeah, he did, didn't he? You good?
Yep.
He didn't mean to. My grandma had a pet pig and it was in her house.
Is it cute?
Yeah.
Look at the mud.
Yeah. Florida mud.
I think they're singing with their snorts.
What do you think they're saying?
I don't know. What's that black pig doing?
He looks like he's trying to smell everybody. Are those pumpkins? I can't see. Pumpkins growing behind the toilets? It's okay. Alright, hey. Hey pig. Hey pig. Hey pig. Hey pig. You're eating everything. Here. Oh, that's attached. I think they want it. Be careful not to fall off, all right? It's a long way down.
That is an open area.
Uh-oh. Yeah, you gotta be careful.
No hay bale, there's just loose hay.
Yeah, remember they're round.
How's it going?
Run in.
Good.
Stop. You're taller than me, I can't do that.
Yellow crystal.
There's like steps here.
Like 5 times? Okay. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, we can
we
jump.
heard her, and then we didn't see anybody. The sun is hot today.
Abigail's climbing. Hey, it's hard to get up this one. I don't know.
Did you see the shade? I like the shade too. It's nice.
We got a country store and bake shop. And I guess that's a food. Oh, look at the chandeliers up here and the lights. Looks like some kind of stage over here. That's cute. I like that they have a lot of places to sit. I like that building, it's cute. Just seeing how it's built.
Can I open?
Very, very crude.
I suggest
Crudely.
not doing that.
No, we're not opening that. It's cute.
It's locked for a reason.
On your butt. On your butt, go. Go. All right, move. Move. Okay, let's go. Out there. Take the camera. I'm gonna go on a big hayride now.
We're gonna go feed the cows.
Okay. Are they going to drive us to the cows?
Yep, he's about to.
Nice. Kind of nice.
It'll only be like 2 minutes. Just how much place I fall asleep to get home. There's no like training and shit. So we keep waiting for that. Yeah.
Awesome. You think you're gonna get down to feed them?
Yeah.
No. That one knows we're coming.
There's Mama.
She's stay behind. Look, there they go. They know we're coming.
Can you smile at me?
Well, Rafael, where's Abigail at? Go ahead, Abigail. For this. Abigail.
Hey, I know
Go ahead,
this
Rafael.
one has her name on her ear.
What is
I
it?
think they all have names on their ears. This is Lacey.
Yeah, they're named.
That's Winifred.
Go ahead.
They're hungry. That one knows where to stick. Let's see what their names are. So hungry.
She knows it's coming.
Hey, Carly over here is hungry.
Gotta lay your hands flat. That way they can't eat.
Come here, Abigail. Let her see it.
Mom. Are you guys hungry?
He wants more.
Yeah.
More.
Abigail. Give it. Don't throw it. Give it to them.
That one looks a bit like a camel.
Give it to her, Abigail.
That one's just eating it all.
Don't eat it all. I'm not feeding you, Miss Blondie.
Here, Abigail. Do you feed the black one? Right here?
I don't know how.
You don't know how to feed?
He wants to eat the camera.
No, she thinks it's food.
Feed it like we're here already. I don't know how to feed it in that direction.
Yeah, Lacey wants some more. Did that one get any? No. See, they're in line. They're just never gonna get it.
This one is taking it off.
This one, she's trained. She knows. She knows. Yeah. Yep, there it is.
I don't do the tongue thing. I just open. Oh no, her tongue is out.
Here's Abigail. Abigail, that's what you don't throw it. You give it. You don't throw it.
I'm scared.
Well, then don't do it. Don't throw it. All right. So we go from one ride to another, huh? And where are we going now? Where are we going, Rafael?
Probably cows.
The cows again?
Yeah,
Nah, I don't think so.
At least this ride is fast.
You think this is faster than the other?
I think
And that's the other one we went to right there.
it's probably the same area.
Do you enjoy feeding the cows?
Yeah.
Yeah?
There's one that just opened its mouth as soon as I put my hand
Yeah,
in.
this is a little nicer just because it's not on the dirt. You don't like the dirt.
This is drag.
Wow, they got there faster than us.
Are you holding on? It's going nice and slow.
Oh, never mind. Maybe.
Play Minecraft today?
So long. Okay.
Look at them pupils.
Yeah? You got that devil peoples?
Nah.
Alright. This is why you stay a little bit away. A little bit.
Feels like it.
Because. Can I pet the sheep, Daddy?
Probably be very careful with that one. Yeah, they're a little. Yeah, probably not. Here we go.
How to make butter beer. It's so good.
Huh?
Probably not. Not a good idea. Oh, and the hair out too. Let me guess.
Huh?
Yeah, they want food. See?
Look that?
Chicken. What you think?
I want to ride the horses. I want to ride the ponies.
Over here.
I don't think they have any today. Come over here.
It's a cow with horns. Guys, look at that.
I've seen it in pictures.
We got two.
This one has teeth?
Yeah.
Oh, better not put your hand in there then.
It might be a bull.
I think
Better not, Abigail.
we're gonna take the
Pay attention.
back and wait for the
Look, he's
He
got
could
a
be
hump.
dangerous.
He got a hump.
Mommy's here. She walked all the way here.
There's another white one over there too in the back.
people to do the corn maze with.
You said Mommy's here?
Yeah.
There she is. All right,
Ah.
let's see what she's up
Right
to.
here. Hey, look, archery. Tomorrow.
You walked here?
Yeah.
Why?
Ooh.
Hey, Mira. Hi, Mama.
You can go see the pigs. Walk back.
Good shot.
All right, Emily, wait. Let Emily poke her head out too.
Good job.
Ready?
Good job, Rafael.
I need to hold it back.
Abigail's turn now. Oh, pull it back. Oh boy. Pull it back, Abigail.
I suggest doing it with the right hand.
Ooh, almost.
I can't see if that hit it or not.
He's letting us
Either grazed it or
shoot that
just
dud.
barely hit it and went on the land.
Mama, I saw come around the back.
All right, come on. What's he eating? His paw?
He's licking his paw to clean it.
Is that tasty?
Yeah.
You eating your paw too? Hey,
Are you alright?
what's up?
Are you alright, Abigail?
Oh, you fell and they jerked. That's why they jerked.
Hey,
You good?
come here, Abigail. Come here, girl.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, pretty bunny.
Steady. Climb yourself up. Climb.
You got it. Use your feet. Oh, yikes.
Rafael?
You good? Rafael, you want to come on this side?
You don't even need hands. You can just do it.
Oh my. Don't fall off on the other side now. All right, don't fall off now. Look at Daddy.
Abigail. Right hand.
They're back, but all they do is.
Don't fall out of that tree and do
I only
not
see
jump.
one. Where's the other one?
Oh, classes. There's, I think,
There we are.
yeah, because they offer a,
My back is on the iron part
Yes.
here.
Yeah. That'll happen.
Rafael, where are you? Or Abigail?
Abigail's
Abigail,
over here.
turn around. How you doing? Tiring. All right, we're on a tractor.
Oh, that hurts my stomach, Daddy.
And here's Rafael. How you doing? Kitty cat. Kitty kitty.
I'm a Russian blue.
You're a Russian blue? A Persian blue? Or a Russian blue?
Russian.
Oh, okay. All right, going on a ride. That was that hay ride they were on earlier, but it had no hay. Did you feed the cows?
Yes, we fed Lacey and Winifred and friends.
Oh, Winifred.
Yeah, all
That's
my
a
best
girl,
friends.
right? That's a girl, right? Winifred?
Is it?
I don't
mean,
know. They keep
It's
the
all
girls-
tongue and no cow.
They keep all the girls together?
All tongue, no teeth.
Oh, yeah.
The one of them is a vertical eater. A lot of them are horizontal eaters. The one of them is a vertical eater. You'll see it. We did run out of battery.
Oh, I bet, yeah. The battery keeps running down on this camera. I don't know. You having fun?
Yep.
Yeah. Fun ride. That's actually a huge walk for me. I almost died from it, so. Haven't recovered yet. I didn't think I'd fit in here, but I do, so barely.
I didn't think Daddy would fit in here at first.
Oh yeah? Well,
Yeah,
this
you set up too
we
big.
could all take a bath in here. It's
Not too big.
a bath bucket.
I didn't call you big. I just said you might not be able to fit in here. This is a kid-sized
It
area.
was you fit in here. What, am I too big? Yeah, I didn't expect you to fit in.
okay, we're headed over there. Get a grip.
Into the maze.
I just want to visit all the dead ends and everything.
Yeah.
smell?
You know what, Rafael? This might be amazing.
Oh my goodness. What's the smell though? Is it sunflowers? I can't.
Are you coming with?
Yeah. I'll hold it for you.
It's a map.
Oh, it's a map. Here, Raphael.
I don't need a map.
Oh
want
no,
to
you don't
visit
need a
dead
map.
ends.
You don't need it.
This is amazing. Where are you going?
What we got here?
It's a T.
What are the orange flowers in the middle?
Oh, Rafael. Have you ever heard of Children of the Corn?
What are
They're-
these orange flowers? Did you have fun?
Yeah?
All
All right.
Take your masks off real
We're gonna
quick.
take these maze quizzes back and get something treat, a sweet treat
Yes.
for getting
Hey.
Here,
Hey,
Raphael, here's
face
yours.
first.
Raphael, here's yours. It says take it to the information booth to get a sweet treat.
Okay.
So where did you get these answers from?
Mama.
Mama?
Yes. Yeah, we were playing on the hay bales. She just answered them. Give me a random.
Okay, you can pick whatever you want.
I'm getting myself a random. I'm not looking.
Okay.
You can also get this. Dum-dums.
Thank you.
Oh, can I get that one?
What's this one?
Dum-dums.
The wrapper?
Yeah.
Depends on what this is. Can you see? Nice. Here, take your jacket. Daddy, can you take his jacket?
Hold this. Let me see. No suckers
Oh, you're right, Daddy. All right.
Alright, let's...
Smile.
I can't dox these people, so hold on. Yes.
Da, da, da.
Okay then. Things and everybody's ha-ha-haing around.
He's talking about being a teenager. Rafael says, I waited my whole life to be a teenager. He's almost a teenager. He's soon to be 11.
And I'm giving him the rundown of what it's going to actually be like.
It's gonna be a hard life. Here, can you drink some of that down to the orange marker? Because I'm making my Propel instead of buying it already pre-made. It literally tastes like nothing when you make it yourself. It's like kind of sweet, no flavor. But it's cheaper and better for you. Better for the environment because you're not buying them. I was buying 30 bottles every 2 weeks or something.
Plastic bottles.
It's a lot. So I was like, okay. Grandma brought over this Bay Boost. And she doesn't like it, but the kids like it. They drink it, so.
I don't like it.
I love it. It's absolutely the best drink I have tasted.
As much caffeine as a cup of coffee.
Really?
Sure. It's supposed to be good for you. I don't know. Probably hit. Yeah, contains 1% juice. It's boost, not juice, okay? So,
This is a reminder.
this is my first day that I've been out and actually felt well enough and recharged enough that I didn't have to lay down.
Recharge, that's it.
Yesterday, although I did some stuff yesterday, I passed out for several hours in the afternoon.
We spent 2
So.
amazing hours here.
Yeah,
I love it.
they
And
loved it.
It continues for several days, which means we
They
could
have a
revisit-
show, but they don't have a show today, unfortunately. This is just for like homeschool kids today, I think.
Yeah.
Because it's a Friday and they don't have like everything open, but they have most of it open. And it's, less people. So it's
It
just like
gets
all
super
homeschool.
crowded.
Yeah, there's
And so
12
they
porta
open
potties.
a different timeline
Uh-huh.
for those school,
Yeah.
homeschooled
Homeschools.
people, like not necessarily virtual school, but homeschool people.
Homeschool, yeah.
So it's Friday morning at noon.
And there's
it's a very
people-
odd hour.
People coming from Ocala and DeLand, and that's pretty
50,
far
60
away.
minutes out, yeah.
That is pretty far away. Like
mean,
to
it's
come
fun.
to a farm. This just shows you that around here, in this neighborhood, in this area, in this county, we need more things for kids. We don't need more gas stations and car washes or churches even on every corner. We need more stuff for kids to do.
Yeah.
And I have been advocating for that since I was a kid and bored in the woods. And you say, oh, you can't get bored in the woods, go exploring. Well, I went exploring with all of my cousins. There is a limit to exploring, you know what I
Rafael
mean?
made a friend, it's
Yeah.
nice.
He made a friend. Did you make a friend, Abigail?
Same
Yeah.
dude. What did he call you, Rafael? He called you a dude?
His name's
Now he
Jackson.
called me Rafael.
No, he called you a dude or something.
Hey,
Like,
dude.
Dude, hold on.
Did you say, hey, bruh?
No.
Bruh.
No, I don't do that
Bruh.
in public. I do that in video games.
They call each other bro and sis.
Rafael is very
Raphael and
polite.
Abigail. Yeah, they are polite. They're not rude. They're both very, very, very kind to everybody.
Okay.
Thank you.
We're gonna
There's a
go,
lot of cars here.
Go eat lunch for Raphael's birthday. He chose a place for us
Yep.
to go, so that's
Where'd
what
you
we're gonna
choose,
get.
Raphael?
Shinily Buffet.
Woohoo! That is his choice.
It's my favorite.
He loves it because they got
Yeah.
sushi.
It's better than Golden
Yummy.
Corral in my opinion. I'm not judging anyone that loves Golden Corral more,
Jero,
Like grandma.
Jero and
Yeah.
Sam's.
but seriously,
Your friends?
Yes, Jero
Is
and
this
Sam's.
too bumpy?
Nice. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty bumpy. We're gonna go we'll be right back when we go to eat. You're not going to be able to, really? Okay, there is a huge line at the China Lee. So we're not going to go here today because it's packed. It's packed. So look at the parking lot is completely full of cars. There's about 5 parking spaces open right now on the side. So we're gonna come back when it gets closer to his birthday. It's not his birthday actually yet. It is a Friday, so it is very packed. And again, we need more buffets. Cause it's packed, huh? I bet if they had another buffet in town, it would be packed too. Just like Golden Corral is packed.
Yeah, how about we
All right,
go to
so-
Corral?
No, that's on the other side of town. We're gonna go to get Burger King. They love Burger King. It's their second favorite. They love the Whoppers.
My favorite is China Lee.
We used to get, yeah, his favorite's China Lee because he gets sushi. We used to get McDonald's, you know, and the kids loved it, but then they had a Whopper and they're like, what is this? It's delicious. So they're Whopper kids now.
Yes.
So we'll just go up to get a Whopper and then we'll be able to eat 2 times this month. Eat out. That's nice.
Yeah.
If you aren't subscribed yet,
Please subscribe and like.
comment and share FoolyLiving.
Cranes.
But Grandma's over, and she just had a birthday. Got you gifts, Grandma.
No, I don't need no gifts. Look at that. Jeez.
Are you gonna read it?
Yeah, I'm going, yeah.